Hello guys, how are you? Today we want to talk about how we can see hidden files in Linux. So generally there are two ways to figure them out, but first we will go through the Linux terminal and then we will go just by graphical user interface. So let's get started. Here by command line, let's see where we are. So we are in home directory and the user Goli. So let's see what we have here. We have just these directories, and if I want to see the hidden files, the hidden directories here, I need just to use -A option. So now you can see here these files which starts with dot. You can see there are hidden files here. Let's go with graphical user interface. So here we are in the same path, home and Goli. Just click right and you can see option here, show hidden files. By clicking on that, so you can see all the files. Just let me make it bigger. Yeah, you can see all hidden files, and also they are started with dot. So it was the video for today. I hope that it's useful. See you.